It's amazing. I love it so much.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So today is Friday, September 30th. If you don't know, we're in northern part of Florida. So Hurricane Ian decided to roar its ugly head at Florida. It was supposed to go through Tampa and then basically like hit our area dead on, but it curved last minute. And so we basically got the outskirts of it. So we've been camping out and just staying sheltered for like the past 2 days. So the hurricane is now gone. It moved out into the ocean and I think it's headed towards the Carolinas now. So yeah, definitely say a prayer for people who've been affected, Fort Myers area, southern Florida, and yeah, seeing the devastation, and it was really bad. I'm thankful our area didn't get hit as bad. But yeah, we've been camping out in our living room this hurricane. So we have a blow-up mattress and the kids basically been like sleeping on that for the past couple days. So now that the hurricane is gone, I was thinking maybe we could do a movie night. Today Hocus Pocus 2 came out. So I'm in front of Dollar Tree right now. So I think I am going to put together like a little kids movie night thing, you know, with like little snacks and things like that. Since we already have the blow up mattress blown up basically, I thought it would be fun to do something special. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go in here and find some little snacks. I've been seeing like little TikTok things. Sorry y'all, don't looking at me real. But yeah, I've been seeing like little TikTok things, TikTok hacks and things like that with Dollar Tree stuff for kids. So I'm gonna go in here and see what they have, put together like a little snack bar or popcorn bar, or you know, just something extra. I'll make little tickets for them and you know, just have it a good little experience before we put everything away. So yeah, I'm going here and see what they have, and let go.
Get some of those caramels.
Let's get some of these. These are cute. So I also kind of want to put together a basket for my neighbors, like a "you've been booed" basket, and so I think I'm gonna go ahead and get some stuff for that as well. All right y'all, so do not mind how I look. I just came home and took a shower and just did something, but I went to Dollar Tree and could not find the little caddies that you normally see for kids on movie nights. If you guys know what I'm talking about, you know, it's like the little storage caddies. It has handles. That way the kids will have a place to put their drinks and the popcorn and all of that good stuff. But my Dollar Tree did not have any, so I went to Plan B. And Plan B is the cereal box method. So here on YouTube, there is a channel called Mom Hacks, and they have a whole video, it's like 5 minutes long, of mom hacks for if you want to do movie night. And one of the things they were showing was using a cereal box and punching holes in it and making your little things that way. So since I couldn't find a caddy at Dollar Tree, the plan is to DIY one. That's what we're about to do. So all you need is a cereal box, empty of course, nothing in here, and some black tape. Alrighty, so this is our blow-up mattress. I'm gonna go ahead and blow this up, and then we're gonna make like a little seating so that everybody can just relax and watch the TV right there. And y'all, so I am really tired, but we're gonna go ahead and go through this movie night. I just hung some of these up just because, you know, kids like running through them. So this is how my little DIY thing came out. It looks janky now, but after we turn the lights off and the kids put their drinks and everything in, it'll be perfect to hold their food and things so that nothing gets spilt. Then I have a couple cans of soda. I got sugar-free on accident, which really sucks, but oh well. This little thing I printed out online. I just thought it was like a really cute touch. I mean, it's just me and the kids, but still, you know, I just want to be extra. So I just set that there. And then this is a little cupcake stand, but I just filled it with some goodies. And then have that. So the idea is that they can like get some little treats like this, put it in there like that, and they'll hold it for them. So, and then of course we have the popcorn. So tickets at the door. Tickets at the door. Let me see your ticket. Wait, wait. Okay, hold on. Sir, enjoy your movie. Tickets. Tickets. There you go, ma'am. Enjoy your movie. Khalil, tickets. There you go. Enjoy your movie. Your drinks go in here. Your candies go in here, and your popcorn bag goes in here, okay? So pour your drinks. Get you a cup first. This is a line. So get you a cup, and then you pour your drink over there at the end, okay? What do y'all think about the setup?
It's amazing! It's amazing. I love it so much.
We'll see, because I kind of want to keep one too. It don't matter. It just got three. They came three. Pour this in here. Pour it in there, and then put the lid on it.
Oh, it has a lid.
Sweet. It does have a lid.
Let me taste this first.
Yeah, taste it and tell me what it tastes like. Put it in the bag. There you go. Good job.
That's all.
You got chocolate, you got this, and then you got some Reese's Pieces down there. Here, Khalil, you can put your thing right here. How do y'all like this movie night setup?
So far, it's amazing.
Is it cute? Face over there.
Oh.
Don't spill that soda.
Maybe I should get Kyrie over here.
No, I'm sitting over there. Kyrie, you're going to have to scoot over because you're not going to be right there.
Mom's going to be over here.
They were right to feel uniting. Happy 16th birthday, child.
From my favorite customers. Legend has it, it's on the 16th birthday that a witch gets her powers.